diretso pa, mas mabilis doon.
There wasn't anything new in the article, but because it was in the New York Times, people are going to talk about it. In fact, I got a whole bunch of emails about it because people said, oh my God, what's going on here? And it turns out that until about 1878, when the light bulb sort of started to be used, people basically used to go to bed at dusk. They used to go to bed very, very early on in the evening, way earlier than what they do now. And people used to get up in the middle of the night, and that's where the term midnight actually comes from. They used to get up in the middle of the night, and, you know, they'd be up for a couple of hours, and they'd do stuff, some of which we can't mention on public radio. And then they would go back to sleep, and then they would sleep for another 3-4 hours, and then they'd get up with the dawn. And when the light bulb sort of was invented, and all of a sudden people, the lives changed, and, you know, industries changed, everything changed,